Hey Jennifer, Sylas here from Ascension Marketing Agency. I'm making this custom video for you folks over at Apex Roofing and Restoration. Now, what I'm going to be going over in this video is I'm going to show you how your website's performing, how strong it is, how strong your online presence is, and I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks on how to maximize your website so you can optimize your online presence, strengthen that, and really be, a force online when it comes to roofing in Florida. All right. I'm also going to be comparing another one of you guys' competitors, show you what they're doing and how we can steal some ideas on how to help your website as well. Got it? So a few things I'm going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Now first is content. When it comes to your homepage, you want to have about 1,500 words worth of content on there. So if you look at your homepage, it's a beautiful website, by the way. So hats off to whoever did it. Now it looks like there wouldn't be 1,500 words worth of content. And I know I say words, but you can also put pictures on there and that counts as content as well. So that's just a minor tweak that you guys can do there. Other tabs, so services under all this, insurance claims, reviews, that's where you can put content on as well. And another piece of content is something called keywords. Now, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product of yours, and these keywords can be found anywhere on your website multiple times as well. Now, an example of this is if you go over here, if someone were to type in roofing Fort Myers, Florida, or just FL, this is the results they'll see. All right. Now, you'll notice that you're up here in the Google Map pack, Apex Roofing and Restoration, but when you scroll down to the organic results, your name doesn't pop up here, and I'll explain why in a second. All right. So now if we go over here to this site I use to run numbers for websites, over here you got 245 keywords mentioned on your site, and that's bringing you 1.1 thousand traffic organically per month. So that means 1.1 thousand people are seeing your website every month because of these keywords. Now if we look over at your competitor, South Florida Roofing, we'll notice that they have 129 keywords and 498 traffic per month. All right, so it seems like you guys are beating them, right? But we'll look at the quality of your folks' keywords. So there's a lot of Apex for sure, and that looks like it's the bulk of the volume. So what I'm looking at here, Jennifer, is this is what people are searching up, and this is how many times they're searching that up per month. And this is where you folks rank for that keyword. So obviously it's a lot of Apex Roofing, Apex Restoration, Apex, which is kind of, go figure because your folks' name is Apex. So that's kind of a given. But if you were to go into more, buyer intent keywords, so roofing restoration near me, 300. Your guys' ranking is 16, drops a little bit. Roof restorations near me, 150. Roofing restoration companies, 40 searches a month, 12. Let's see. That's about it. You would want to have a little bit more buyer intent keywords. Now, what a buyer intent keyword is, that means that when someone searches up a service that they need, then they're more intent on buying that, right? So, for example, metal roofing repairs, Florida, right? So that means someone in Florida is looking for a company to repair their metal roof, or metal roof installation, Florida, or Fort Myers, right? So you want those keywords embedded in your website, so when people search that up, those people are more intent on buying a service than someone who, say, is searching up something like maybe apex of a roof. Not quite sure what that person means by that when they search it up, but 100 people are doing that a month. But you kind of get the gist of it, right? I'm not going to go too deep into that. But what you can do is you can look at competitors' websites, click on their keywords, see what's working for them, and you can tell already that they have a little bit more buyer intent keywords, which means they're probably the quality of the leads coming onto their website, the traffic flow, is probably a little bit more quality, more buyer intent, right? So you'll see roofing in South Florida roofers, Florida roofing company South Florida, and all of them are getting very good volume per month. Roofing companies in Florida, and you notice how a lot of them are pretty similar, but just with minor little tweaks. Like this one, the only difference between these two is the word in, but yet each one is getting 600 volume searches a month. So you can come over here to your competitor's website, see what's working, and go ahead and implement it in your own website as well. Okay, and now keywords, what they help with is getting you found organically. So that's why you may want to make some minor tweaks and adjustments to your keywords and what they are, so that you can be found more organically. Got it? I hope that makes sense. I know I rambled on a little bit long about that, but if you have any questions or need any help with that, you'll have my contact info after this. But next, what I want to get into is something called backlinks. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable text. And these links, they act like an endorsement of your website pretty much. And Google will see this as a trust factor, and it's as if that other website is vouching for yours. So what this means is that if we look right here under backlinks and referring domains, this means that there's 77 other websites out there with a link somewhere on their website to your site, to Apex Roofing site. And that's happening 3.2 thousand times on 77 sites. So that's good. That means your link, your website is mentioned out there on 77 different sites. Now if we look at your competitors, theirs is 42 links to their site coming from 21 different websites. So you guys kind of got the step on them there. And although you guys may have a lot of backlinks, it's not necessarily the quantity that counts. You also want to make sure the quality of your backlinks are good as well, because you want to make sure they're relevant and they correlate with the website they're coming from. Because say you have your website link, right? It's about roofing. That's what your company's about. Shown on a website about cats and dogs. There's no reason why a roofing company link should be on a website of cats and dogs, but yet it's there. And, you know, if someone's on that website, the chances of them clicking on a link about roofing are very, very low. But if your link were to be on something like a blog about types of roofing, then the conversion rate of them clicking on that just shot up way, way higher. So that's why the quality and where these links are on what types of websites matters as well. So you can go do a little digging on that, do a little audit, see where your links are coming from, get some quality backlinks, all right? Now, last thing I want to go over are citations. So citations are anywhere your name, number, and address are shown, just like how it is on your Google business profile. And these help you rank here in the map pack. Okay? And you'll get citations from places, because places that have your name, number, and address are directories, right? So there's hundreds of out there, Yelp, Yellow Pages, AngelList, to name a few. So the more citations you have, the more places your name, number, and address are listed, the better chance you have of getting ranked over here. So obviously your folks' office, I believe, is in Fort Myers, which explains why you're getting ranked up here in citations, which is really good because when someone looks for roofing Fort Myers, boom, you're first up here. Now, when people search up, say, roofing in any other areas that you serve, like Orlando, you'll notice that you're no longer up there because that's not your name, number, and address anymore. And that just stresses the importance of getting your quality keywords and quality backlinks up so you can gain organic traffic and show up organically over here. All right. So you want to do the same for all the areas that you serve. So I believe you guys are on West Palm Beach as well. So roofing West Palm Beach. Yeah, I'm not up here. So that you want to do the keywords and backlinks for everywhere that you service and also any service that you provide. So that'll help you really get noticed on everywhere people need help with that you serve. So anyway, I kind of rambled on a bit long there. I apologize about that. But Jennifer, I really hope that you learned something today. I hope this was valuable. I my goal is that you implement some of these strategies and it helps take your guys' business at Apex Roofing over the top and to the next level pretty much, and beat out that competition. All right. Any questions or need any help with anything, don't hesitate to reach out. All I ask is that you leave one line of feedback. Was this helpful? Did you learn anything? Did you like it? Let me just know your thoughts. But other than that, you have a great day.